Okay, so what we got here today is the Lasfit LED lighting. This is for my wife's 2019 Dodge Charger. So we're going to just unbox this. The box itself is extremely good quality. There's a little scuff on the edge there, but it was packaged in the little bubble wrap bag type deal, so those aren't always, that. So anyways, open up the box. We got a couple of decals here. Looks like these ones would go on a windshield of sort. Actually, there's three of them, three different colors, in case you're into that sort of thing. Personally, my wife's probably not going to put them on just because she's not really into decals like this. I might hide it somewhere, like underneath the lip of the trunk or something, or underneath the hood somewhere when you pop it up, but we'll see. Got a nice little user manual. Granted, if honestly, we're at the point now that if you need a user manual to plug in some headlights, you've got bigger issues. But that is one of the things that they do have. Just in case you don't, I better check myself before I wreck myself. But it gives kind of a little walkthrough. They've got some pretty detailed pictures here, which are kind of nice. And then a list of product specifications. So that's warranty information, all that jazz. So far, I'm pretty impressed. We won't be putting these in today just because the wife is actually at work. She isn't here to, well, technically the car is not here for me to put these on. So there's where we're standing with that. It does, the housing itself is pretty sturdy. It's got some good weight to it. The fan is kind of incorporated into that, which is nice. Hopefully, the problem I had with my charger with the LED lights was that the back of this housing bumped up against that little cap, and I ended up breaking one of those caps off, so some moisture got into the housing of the headlight, and then you know the rest of the story if you know headlight housings and how finicky they can be when it comes to moisture. So, but overall, I am impressed with the quality at face value of this product. It's beefy. It doesn't look like it's cheaply made. The area around these fins is super light to allow max amount of airflow through there, because these do, I know people are like, well, it's LED, it should run cool. Not the case. The ones that I had in my charger actually ran extremely hot, at least on the backside. I know the bulb area might not, but the backside it got pretty toasty back there. So hopefully I'll be able to put together a little installation video of me putting these in, and then the difference in color between, the stock. She's got the stock halogen bulbs. We don't have the HID package with her charger. It just wasn't something that came with the car, and we didn't really build the car. She just kind of bought it. So this is the route that we're going to go. Hopefully these match pretty close with the DRLs and the fogs. I know her big thing, along with a lot of other people's, is that the headlights on the Chargers don't match up with the fog lights of the Chargers or the DRLs, and it's like they made the car with 3 different colored headlights, and some people it's a big deal. Other people don't really care. I'm kind of wishy-washy. Yeah, but the packaging for their products is pretty good in my opinion. So let's hope the install goes just as great.